fine. So we're going to see.
Where in the Seagull?
We're in the Seagull. Okay.
Do you see that? That's Hyundai.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
It's like a Korean brand.
Yeah. It's a Korean. Oh.
This one is Thai.
Okay.
This one. This is Toyota Premio.
Yeah.
This is a Premio.
Why does the seat look like that?
Let's flick it. Flick. Okay. Now this one. That's the kind of old car.
Yes.
Old car.
Let me see that.
What is this?
So this one is which one?
Okay, now see the back. The Toyota. This is Toyota.
Yeah.
And this one says Premio.
Yeah.
Toyota. Let's see it. Yeah. I guess it right. This one is a Corolla.
Yeah.
And let's see. The mirrors are stupid. Now this one is a Corolla inside. Now, perfect wildlife. Let's go up.
So let's go up. Okay.
Now they're inside in the restaurant.
So let's go. Wow, they're looking good inside.
Oh shit. Now let's go. Oh, my alarm is. It is. My alarm rings.
So
There's
weird.
AC.
Yeah. There's
Oh, okay. Where's the car sound?
Oh, is it?
What color? This one. This one.
Oh,
This one. My alarm is ringed. Okay, come on.
okay, let's go on.
We're fine. Wildlife. Yes.
No.
What beep?
Oh,
It's loud.
so loud. Oh man, so loud.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's turned on. This looks like.
Oh, this looks weird. Look at it.
No, it looks like perfect.
It's speaking English.
Yeah.
That's very weird. This means it's blue
That's-
car.
Oh shit, it's a blue state. We're finding wildlife.
We finally here. Let's see some baby.
Hey, come on. Hey, come on. To zoom out. Hey, come on. This is a car.
Oh shit.
This car turned off. Car looks weird,
Yeah.
but come on.
Oh, the car is moving. Okay. So your time.
This one is a Toyota. Okay, now perfect wildlife. And thanks for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.